Hi and welcome to this demonstration from the WTL. In this video we'll go through how you can submit a product application. So let's start from the WTL homepage. Let's go to the Partner Access panel, which you can access from one of the tabs at the top. Now if you haven't done so before, you'll need to register to get access to this area. The WTL team will need to review your registration and issue you with a username and password to access this part of the website. On this instance, I already have an account, so I'll log straight in. Now, on this screen, I'll start a new product application. I'll go to Product under Start a New Application. Now, the ECA scheme only supports designated technologies, so each category has an eligibility criteria that a product or a system must meet to be included within the WTL. You can view the criteria here by clicking this button. Select the technology and the subtechnology. Click on Show Criteria. We'll come back to this later, but for now let's return to the application screen. In this example, I'm going to submit an application for an automatic shut-off tap, which I'll select from the drop-down technology list. Let's start the application. Once you've chosen your technology, you'll see a screen that allows you to enter the model details, the manufacturer name, and information against each of the evaluation criteria. This information will be used to assess your application. If you need to review the eligibility criteria, you can do so by going to the eligibility criteria link here on the left-hand side. So now, let's enter our product details. If you have more than one product that's very similar, you might wish to copy and paste your information and add multiple products as part of one application. The easiest way to do this is by ticking the Copy Details box just here. So, when you save your product information, the site is going to automatically open a new draft and copy your information over into this second entry. You can now edit the relevant fields and save your second product. Once you've added your product information, you'll be taken to the next screen to provide evidence for your answers. You can go back and add more products by clicking Add New Products under this tab. If you aren't ready to submit your evidence just yet, you can save your draft application by clicking the Save button and returning to your application at a later date. If you do need to return to your application at a later date, simply go to Track My Applications and Product and Systems. For now, let's submit the evidence for our application. Click on Add Evidence and you'll be taken to the screen. And here, you can see a screen that allows you to upload the certification with your products listed at the bottom of the page. Let's choose the ones that are relevant for this application. Click on Choose File. Now for each product that you submit, you'll need to provide an identification specification and evidence of compliance with the water supply regulations. The identification spec can be marketing literature or other material that provides specific information about your product. Here I have a brochure and a leaflet. In order to demonstrate compliance with the water supply regulations, you'll also need to provide relevant certification for your product. This can include RAS certification or a certificate from an independent test laboratory that's accredited to ISO 17025. If your company is ISO 9001 accredited, you may provide a declaration of conformity with the regulations. This should be a written document on company-headed paper. And since we're submitting an automatic shut-off tap for this example, I'll also need to provide information on the product's hydraulic criteria. This can be a test report with the accompanying methodology. So for each file, upload and save as appropriate. You can find more detailed information on the evaluation criteria for each technology by clicking on Evaluation Criteria under Help and Advice in the left-hand menu. So let's go back to our application. Submit the evidence, and keep submitting evidence as appropriate. Now that I've submitted the product information and evidence, all that's left to do is add my contact details and review the terms and conditions before submitting the application. So click on Edit under Contact Details, enter your details if you haven't done so yet, save, check the terms and conditions, and when you agree with them, tick them and submit the application. So that's it, the application is complete and the team will review this and get back to you. If you do need to send us supporting information with details of your products to help us process your application, you can either upload it to the website as we've done here, email it to us, or post it using the address given on the screen. Thanks for watching this demonstration. More videos are available on the Water Technology List YouTube channel.